On God, welcome back to our reaction channel, ladies and gentlemen, broskis and sisters. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you to our channel. My name is Ray, and on this side of YouTube, we react to funny compared videos from TikTok. And if you've seen our previous videos, we reacted to funny anima TikTok, funny anima clips. So we're going to continue from there. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to do that. We are on our way to 500 subscribers. We are currently at 451, so we are moving great for sure. And let's keep growing, guys. And without wasting, this one looks funny already. I'm enjoying these videos. I hope you're enjoying these videos too. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. No way this is gonna pop up like that. This already started to be too crazy, man. It's just like a baby. It's just like a human baby. Nah, that's crazy, bro. It's like a human baby. Is that a Gucci bag? That's a Gucci backpack. No, it's not. You got drip. This monkey got drip. Oh, oh, oh. You know what?
The first few blows usually settle things in such battles, but here the stakes are high. To lose means exile in the desert.
Wow. So if one of them loses, he's exiled.
Neither will back down.
So when one of them loses, he's exiled to the desert.
As the fight intensifies, they change tactics. The young male aims for the rump. The old bull targets his rival's legs.
Imagine a giraffe hits you, bro, with their head. I've never thought about a giraffe fighting in my entire life. I've never thought about that. And I never had like the idea how the fight would be. I didn't know they fight with their... That's crazy. I've never imagined this. Damn. Oh, he's down. Ooh, knocked out.
The old bull is down.
That's crazy. I've never thought about giraffe fighting. I've never imagined like my entire life. That's crazy. That's how they fight with the. But how they don't get like headache? No, they don't get headache. That's crazy.
People's
bro.
dog versus my dog.
That's a lazy dog. That's a lazy ass dog right there. That dog is lazy.
Yeah, you got
the massage.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around the house.
Why is he tweaking?
Wow.
What is that? What is going on? I hate when dog do this. Okay.
Fichita va bene, se tu la parla mia.
Damn, these dogs are beautiful.
Oh, you better watch out.
Oh.
Better
我们展开了出星光点点，我听着。
Can we skip to the good part?
That's cute.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. What is it doing there? Oh, okay, that's a spider fight. Two spiders fighting. That's a black and a white spider. It's like a black person and a white person having a fight. Who's going to win? Let's see who wins. Yeah, go spider. Go black spider. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, go, come on. Yeah, you can be some harass right there. That's like some. Look at the speed though. Look at the speed. What's that? Wow. And he's not, he's just, he keeps going. He's not stopping. You wrapped him up. He's not stopping. Bro, how come the white one is not getting out of the cobweb? Because he got webs as well. They should be able to like get off. No? The black spider just wrapped the white spider up like a kebab. He wrapped him up like a kebab. That's crazy. That's bad. That's
I don't want to
scary.
take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We could put him in the
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
This family makes me want to murder people.
What is that? Oh, nah, you nasty.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side.
Oh, okay. Now, one thing I will not do is bring my child so close to any crazy animal. Ooh.
Bitch, on my body, I get what I want.
Yeah.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Really?
Look at this.
Really?
Somebody come and look at this.
Are you serious? Oh, okay. Okay, cowgirl, cowboy, I don't know. This has to be somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Eastern Africa. Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, maybe. Looks nice.
Morning, little bit. Welcome to your first day of life here on the Catalina's Critters Farm. You're so flipping adorable.
The mother hen just let you take the chick like that?
Inside Iran, I'm the big bad supercharged sex machine. All American extra lean. If you lose your cool,
Yeah. Why are you risking your life like that?
I farted next to my dog, and this was her reaction.
Black talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my
No
wrist, but
way.
I want that giant. Niggas talk crazy
That's a
when I pull
squad
up
pulling
in sight.
up.
Stranger.
I wanna fly, can you take me far?
That's cool. You can't even ride a horse. I've never actually been on a horse before. Never. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Imagine being chased by a bird. That's crazy. Your finger is gone. What is it?
What do you feel next? What do you feel next? Oh, some liver! Oh my gosh. Okay, she just did all the liver.
And it went like.
Oh. These are some ninjas.
The bottom gets grinded the most. And why is this important? Well, elephants in domestic care, they're getting a high nutritious diet.
Do ba 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 do
What is called?
do ba do boo do. How I wonder what you are.
He seems so pissed off. What is going on with him?
I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together.
Oh, he licked! He licked them!
That's so cool.
Did he actually lick them?
Do ba 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 do
Damn.
do ba do boo.
That's so stupid. That's a lioness, right? Oh, ooh. Ooh. No. No. Hey, cats are bullies. Cats are bullies, man. They just be bullying dogs. That's not nice. I don't like cats. I don't like cats. He wants to play. Come on, play with him.
Oh no, I don't like one.
Damn. What? Why is he ear dropping? His ear dropping. He deserves it. Hey, animals sometimes crazy, man.
Come here. You want some? Bring it to mommy. You want help? Yeah.
Wow. I mean, it's a monkey, so yeah. It wants more. At least he knew to give it to the mom. He didn't just like, oh, he's licking through the thing. Ooh, I don't like that.
The king.
Why is he scared?
And look at this little businessman.
The fuck?
He's so undisturbed.
Stop.
Ooh.
It wasn't even me.
That's why I hate cards. I don't like cards. No, don't.
Búscala aquí. Esa palabra la vamos a buscar aquí. No se te olvide. Esa. Acá.
What the hell?
It's an automatic rifle, fully loaded with illegal ammo, preventing what they say could have been a deadly shooting at a high school football game.
Smelly ass toes, bro. Oh, damn.
What the fuck?
Cat. It's a cat.
Flowers.
Oh, it's a dog. That looks like a prejudice against cats. Are you serious? No, get out.
Oh, like that.
What the hell is that? The dog.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
Father, help.
Oh, Chester, look at me. Hey, there's an intruder.
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it. Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Who's...
Bruh. That's crazy, bro. What the hell?
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
No, I'm not. Yeah, is that a hair from a dog?
Right.
Wow. Okay. Okay, that's crazy.
What a treat.
Damn. Damn. He looks so shocked. What is going on, bro? Now you got babies you didn't ask for. That's crazy. And he's a baby too. Oh man. Ooh, that was precise.
They want to sound like the balloons when they're up.
Hey yo.
Lacey.
I don't know where did I saw a video like that before. I don't know if you scratch through a comb, it like irritates cats and stuff. I seen a video like that before. That was funny, bro.
Lacey.
Oh man. Damn. Aww. Lazy ass.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Chilling. Okay, I see you. That was stupid. I did not expect that. That was stupid. Really? Oh, really?
Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.
No, wait. Bruh, look at this, bruh. Look at this frame. This is crazy, bruh. Look. That was so stupid.
Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna go boom, boom.
Bruh. I swear, I feel like they're laughing at me, bruh. I don't even know why. Look at this shit, bruh. Oh shit, bruh. Ugly ass. You're ugly. Oh shit, bruh. Bruh. Hey yo. Nah. Bruh. Oh, my bad, bruh. He kicked him. Oh. He kicked his ass. That's crazy. That was nice. That was. I see you. I see you. Whoa. Yeah, this is funny, bro. This one is funny. Hey, we've come to the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this one. This one was funny. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I got one more that I have to react to, the animal TikTok. So yeah, I should be enjoying this one on a Sunday morning and the other one on a Sunday afternoon. So I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. Sunday is actually the first day of the week. So I know you have a beautiful Sunday and a good week ahead of you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and do not forget to subscribe, like the video, share, comment, like, and share, and subscribe. Let's get to 500 subscribers, and thank you guys for checking out the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.